Morning, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, students, scholars, sportsmen, learners and listeners, teachers and trainers, officials and professionals, professors and professionals, highly official ministers, doctors, the most respectable Saint Dr. Narendra Modi ji, present Prime Minister, availability of the Reverend Fathers, Mothers, affectionate sons and daughters. I, Dr. Rakesh from USA, heartily cordially welcome all of you. It is really nice time, nice place, nice section of listening with 100% present sense of mind. It is really the grace and blessings of the God, super spiritual power who is always with us, He who is always omnipresent, omnipotent, omniscient and almighty. He who is always with us in the form of light, sound, and even where there is no light, where there is no sound, He does exist. The presence of our Almighty Lord everywhere. He who is the creator, operator, generator, founder of our soul, for the freedom of soul, who came in India in 1948. India got freedom in 1947. It is said that India got freedom from exploiters, excavators, and the persons, those who came here just from the business point of view. India got freedom and Indian soul awakened by the great saint whose name, fame, popularity is well known, well versed. Who does not know his name? Beparwa Shah Mastana Ji Maharaj, and the founder of Sikhism, Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. At that time in Europe, in England, it was the birth time of William Shakespeare in 1564. India was discovered by Vasco da Gama in 1498, and 1469 was the birth year of Shri Guru Nanak Dev Ji Maharaj. Great rulers, politicians, economists, sociologists took birth for the welfare of humanity, for the welfare of society and nation, for the salvation and emancipation of the soul. They came on this earth as a worldly leaders, worldly spiritual leaders. Their aim, their objective was only to provide the true knowledge, information, instruction, direction to our soul. Our soul, which is the pious, purest, chastest, Words fall short in praise of the Almighty Lord, who came in the form of physical body for carrying our soul at its destination from where the soul has come. Our soul, which has come from the celestial light, eternal abode. Every saint has explained this thing through the religious scriptures of the different religions. And scientists believe that our soul is in the form of energy we have. Some says oxygen is soul, some says God, He who is always present with us, He lives in a specific building. Some says His place is heart.